One, good. Ah!
The waves didn't look dangerous at first. From the shore, they just looked big, powerful, exciting. The kind of waves that make people want to run straight into the water. Someone stepped forward. The water rushed around their legs. Cold, fast, stronger than expected. Then another wave came. Bigger, faster. It pushed forward with so much force that standing became difficult. In moments like this, the ocean reminds us of something important. Nature does not need to be violent to be dangerous. Every wave carries energy. When waves grow larger, that energy grows stronger. Water can pull sand from under your feet, drag your body sideways, and pull you farther from shore before you even realize what is happening. Many people believe danger only exists during storms, but the truth is, powerful waves alone can create life-threatening situations, even on days that look normal from the beach. The ocean is not something to challenge, it is something to respect. Before entering the water, watch the waves. Notice their size, notice their speed. If waves are crashing hard or water is pulling strongly back to sea, staying on shore is the safest decision you can make. Because the scariest ocean dangers are not always loud or obvious. Sometimes they look like just another wave until it's too late. Respect the ocean, stay aware, and remember, coming home safe is always more important than going into the water.